Before long, your new business will grow to the extent that you need to hire employees. At this point, you need to make the call about how to handle the payroll process. The good news is that it's possible to manage your own payroll, and it's not that difficult. Keep watching to learn how it works. Make it official. Check out the legal requirements around the payroll process for your state. Register for employer identification numbers, get insured, and sign up for workers' compensation. Don't forget to schedule important dates like paydays, due dates for tax payments, and filing deadlines too. You should also remember the legalities around displaying the relevant posters on your premises. These usually have to do with occupational health and safety and other important information. Onboard your employees. Make sure each new employee fills out a W-4 form right away. This gives you time to calculate the correct deductions before payday. The W-4 helps keep track of their allowances and dependents. This, in turn, affects the amount of taxes to deduct from their paychecks. You need to file a hire report for each new employee as well. Generate pay stubs. When payday rolls around, you can pay your workers via EFT or in cash. It's a good idea to give each of them a printed pay stub too. Generating a pay stub can be tedious and confusing, but it's an important part of the payroll process. Using an online pay stub generator makes this chore a quick and easy one. You simply follow these steps. The whole process takes about 2 minutes. Your calculations will be checked by a team of qualified accountants. Keep a careful record of all deductions and payments to employees as well as their pay stubs. You'll need it when tax time rolls around. Final steps. As an employer, the two most important tax forms you must submit are the W-2 form and the 1099 form. Both of these can also be generated online, so there's no need to panic. Simply enter all the information you've compiled regarding each pay date and off you go. Again, it's quick and easy. When you've got all your facts and figures together, you can submit the information to the IRS. In addition to your annual tax obligations, employer federal tax returns are usually submitted quarterly. There may be additional tax requirements depending on the state you operate in. If you have any difficulties processing your pay stubs or need to make a correction, we're here for you. Visit our website, ThePayStubs.com, and let's get you started by creating your pay stub today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.